Good evening, this is Rich, and we've been on a tour of the Zeno Grain Elevator today in New Orleans, just up the river from New Orleans in Convent, Louisiana. Pretty phenomenal facility, and would certainly recommend everyone taking that trip if you have the opportunity someday. The markets continued their push higher today. We did see the wheat be the leader, kind of strange, but maybe some spread trading there between wheat and corn. Wheat certainly has been underpriced relative to corn. We've seen the Chicago wheat 20 plus cents discount to corn price, and with strong basis levels in some areas, that may be leading some of the push back. Ultimately, the dollar was weaker once again today on a strong euro, and that did support the commodity markets, brought some investment money back in again for the second day in a row. We saw the Dow up 67 points at the close tonight, gold up $10 an ounce, and crude oil firmer as well today. In the grains at the close tonight, December corn 6 1/4 higher at 5.98, did trade up to a high of 6.05, so we have been able to break back over that $6 mark, but weren't able to stay there. March corn up 7 cents at 6.05 1/2. December 12 corn up 4 1/2 at 5.50. January beans up 4 cents at 11.25. March soybeans up 4 at 11.35. And next November soybeans up a nickel at 11.41, and they traded about 17-18 cents higher at the high of the day as well today. December cotton up 139 at 92.69. December 12 cotton up 0.89 at 89.03. December wheat Chicago up 19 3/4 at 5.94 1/2. July Chicago wheat up 21 1/2 at 6.43 3/4. Kansas City East wheat up 14 3/4 at 6.56, and Kansas City July wheat up 19 3/4 at 6.87. So the Minneapolis markets, I don't have the changes, but December wheat did close at 8.38 3/4, and July wheat at 8.08 1/4. So good day in the commodity markets here in the night trade this evening. We're seeing corn steady to a penny better, soybeans about unchanged, wheat steady with Minneapolis wheat up about a nickel here in the night trade. So things rebounding a little bit. I'm not so sure that this is a start of any big rally per se. Maybe some just bottom, just a bounce off the bottom. I don't see that the fundamentals are there yet to be able to support this kind of a continued rally, but certainly we're seeing maybe some short covering in the soybean market, the wheat market. The funds are short, and so not surprising with a little bit of a drop here in the dollar that we're seeing some folks cover their positions. On into the winter months, I think we can still see some upside, but here between now and Christmas, things just don't look really supportive to the markets. We'll see, but I wouldn't look for any big bumps at the present time. Hope you have a good evening. We'll be back in the morning. Thanks.